Hey everyone, you asked me if I could create a new case for the Hero84HE keyboard from Aula. So I reached out to the Aula brand and requested this keyboard for testing and review. It turns out that the keyboard by itself is quite impressive, especially from a structure perspective, and you can check my initial review on my channel. However, when I opened the case, it was a bit surprised to find that it consists of three separate plates connected to each other. I told Tarsum that creating a custom case for 3D printing would be too complicated, and I still believe that it's true. But then I became intrigued by the fact that this structure is quite flexible, and I realized that I can design a really interesting case for it. So I opened my Fusion 350 and started modeling. After several days, I created my first prototype in plastic, and it was actually amazing. A few days later, I was able to assemble the Hero84HE in new case with a new keycap set and connected it to my PC with new USB cable. And guys, I couldn't believe how cool it turned out. So I'm introducing the new custom 3D printed case for the Hero84HE. You can easily replace your current case by following these simple steps. First, carefully unscrew PCB plate, then remove the RGB plate and the USB plate. After that, insert them into my case. The USB plate goes on the left side and the RGB plate fits in a separate holder, and the main PCB is secured on a standoffs. Then you can use your favorite keycaps and USB cable to complete the assembly. So guys, what do you think? Is it better than the original Hero 84 case? Do you like it? If you do and want to have one for yourself, you have two options. You can download the model from a 3D printing website and print it by yourself. Links will be provided in the description. Alternatively, you can order a ready printed case from my Etsy or eBay shop. The link will also be in the description below this video. Okay, now a final view and sound test. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them under the video or ping me on a Discord. Thank you.